Alright, so I'm here to talk about the first aid things, the signs and symptoms. So if someone's having a heart attack, I'm gonna be looking for nausea, some weakness in the chest, some weakness in their body, chest pain, and some shortness of breath. If someone's having a stroke, I'm gonna look for some altered mental status, um, maybe some numbness in the legs and the feet, and also some weakness as well, just like in the heart attack. If someone's having an allergic reaction, I'm gonna look for swelling, maybe some itchiness or discoloration. If it's really bad allergic reaction, they're probably gonna have difficulty breathing. They may even lose consciousness, and they can also go into shock. If I'm looking at a seizure, right, it's a fall would be a sign or symptom of that. Also, maybe like a loss of some muscle control, and if they stop responding to what I'm telling them, that'd also be another thing. For a head and spine injury, also if someone falls, I'd suspect that. If there's like intense trauma to them, I'd also suspect that. If they had contact to their head, if they have any pain to their head, or if they're bleeding out their head, also, and they also have an altered level of consciousness, I'm suspecting that as well. As well as with nausea, if their coordination's off, if they're seizing, and if they feel tingling sensations like with the strokes, I'd also suspect that there. Heat stroke, signs and symptoms of that would be some sweating, some nausea, and probably feel fatigued. They'll have muscle cramps, dizziness, they may vomit. For choking, inability to breathe, speak, or cough would indicate that. Burns. If they have a first, second, third degree burn, obviously that'd be a sign or symptom. If there's like any irritation, they could also have respiratory arrest from a burn, cardiac arrest if it's serious enough. Um, Signs of that would also be if there's a source of either like heat, some chemical source of electricity near them, that could cause a burn. For bleeding, if they're in shock, if they feel weak, if there was a high trauma, if they feel kind of nauseous, then yeah, that'd also be for bleeding. And a concussion, signs and symptoms for that would be altered level of consciousness, if they fell, or if they felt dizzy. And those are signs and symptoms for major things in first aid.